Remember this point. If you have any problem, if you have any suffering, then you are not a Buddha. If anything becomes a problem to you, remember that you are not a Buddha. You should not be a problem to yourself, and others should not be a problem to you. For me, nothing is a problem. Is my skin a problem to me? I am not beautiful. Is it a problem to me? I don't have two eyes. If you are blind, if it is a problem to you, you are not a Buddha. I have no hair on the head. Is it a problem for me? White hair, any problem? Is your wife your problem? Is your husband your problem? Are your parents your problem? If there is no problem, you are a Buddha. Some people come to me, Swamiji, I am not getting married. So what is the problem? Don't get married. Where is the problem? Some people say, I don't have children. Where is the problem? I am not getting married, I don't have children. If it is a problem, you are not a Buddha. Somebody came to me saying, Swamiji, my mother is dying. I said, where is the problem? If your mother dies, where is the problem? If your mother is dying and it's a problem for you, you are not a Buddha. If anything is a problem to you, remember that you are not a Buddha at all. So it's a proof for you whether you have become a Buddha or not. And until you become a Buddha, you will be reborn again and again.